Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can install Google Tag Manager on your Shopify store. So first we are going to create account on Google Tag Manager. Go to google.com and then here search for Google Tag Manager. Go to the tagmanager.google.com. So I have created some Tag Manager account, so that's why you can see this. But in your case you don't see that. To create account, go to the top right corner, click on create account. Account name, here type your account name. Country, select your country. After that, share data anonymously with Google and other. You can tick mark this or you can leave it. Now container setup. Enter your container name like your domain name or your company name. Target platform, select web. Now go to bottom, click on create. Now scroll down and then tick mark this. Now on the top right corner, click on yes. Now to install Google Tag Manager, copy the code. Now go back to your Shopify dashboard and then click on online store. Go to themes. Now on the right, click on three dot icon. Now click on edit code. Now on the left panel, here search for theme.liquid. Click on that. And then go to the head part. Enter and paste the code. Now on the top right corner, click on save. Now go to Google Tag Manager and then close it. Now let's preview. Now here you need to enter your Shopify store link. So let's copy the store link and paste it here. Now let's click on connect. And there you go, you can see Tag Assistant connected. So we have successfully installed Google Tag Manager on our Shopify store. So that's how you can do that. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.